All right, section 4.1, we're going to start chapter 4 today, dealing with exponents. Let's go over some real basic stuff before. We could simplify that by, there's two parts we're going to write. The number that is there every single time is called our base. And since there are 4 of them, that is going to be our power or our exponent. But base, think about it as the bottom, the foundation. So it is the number that's there on the bottom. And then how many of them do we have is our power. Again, if you see something like this, that does not tell us it's 24. It tells us it's 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which I don't know exactly what it is, but it's 36 times 36. 36 times 36 obviously does not equal 24. So whatever that would equal, they don't tell us. So that's all right. We do the same thing with variables. So in this case, our base is what? A, and we have 6 of them. So it's a to the 6th power is how that would be phrased. Okay, we could also simplify. Let's say we have an expression like this. 3xy times 4xy times y. This is where we're going to do it piece by piece. So we look at our numbers. What is 3 times 4? 12. Now we have x's. How many x's do we have? 1, 2, 3. So x to the third. 1, 2, y to the second. Okay, so we put together the common bases, and then you add them up to get your power. You might also have area problems. How do we find area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is length times width. So here's our length, here's our width. So area in this case equals 3x times x. So it's basically the same as that. The only coefficient we have is 3, so 3 times 1 is 3. We have x's, 1x, 2x, so we have x squared. So that would be 3x squared unit squared is our answer. Let's do one last one. Actually, we'll do a couple of them. So to tell you what x equals, then we're going to do a couple problems. So in place of x, we are going to substitute in -5. So basically, we have this problem. -5 to the third, or -5 times -5 times -5. When I'm working these, I start just do bit by bit. -5 times -5, positive 25 times -5, -125. We could do the same. Let's use that same variable. Do one more. And so we have 2x squared. In place of x, we're going to put -5. So by order of operations, do you multiply or do you exponents? Exponent. So we get -5 times -5, which is, anybody? 25. 2 times 25 is 50. So some of it today is a basic order of operations. Others is just writing out your exponents. So we do on 143, 1 to 33 odd. So 1 to 33 odd on page 33. Actually, I'm going to change that. 1 to 35. We're going to do one that has some area. So on page 143, 1 to 35 odd.